welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As you can see, today I am coming to you with a super bare face. I literally just hopped out of the shower and I have been getting so many requests for more skincare videos than makeup videos lately, and I'll be honest, I am here for it because I am just at the moment just kind of over makeup, and I don't even look at makeup related content as much as I used to. And I think it definitely has to do with, you know, us just being quarantined. There's nowhere for us to really go. So yeah, I'm just kind of diverting from makeup right now and just diving more into skincare. I mean, I've always been a skincare fanatic, but yes, I definitely hear your requests. I see them, so I wanted to share my nighttime skincare routine with you guys using some of my favorite and most used products. So if you are interested in my nighttime skincare routine, then keep on watching. So I already cleansed my face in the shower and I used my trusted Himalaya Neem face wash. This removes impurities, dead skin and excess oil. This is like our 5th or 6th bottle. I do have another one on backup because I enjoy this so much. It is a gel-like consistency and it's very good for oily skin as well. I have normal to combo skin. I definitely used to have oily skin before, and of course with my skincare routine over the years my skin has changed to normal to combo. And yes, our skin and its properties does change over time as we age. There are hormonal factors, just random health issues that may come up. It does affect our skin. Aside from the affordability of this cleanser, what I love about it is that it works for all skin types. I have normal to combo skin. My brother has oily skin and he uses this as well, and he really does enjoy it, and I have been seeing like drastic differences in his skin. Of course, he's a guy, he's not paying attention to it, but I have been seeing it. Like there's a drastic reduction in his sebum production. It really does leave your skin feeling moisturized but not greasy at all. I love to use this especially on mornings to just wash off my skincare from the night before. It's very gentle yet effective. The next step after I cleanse would definitely be to exfoliate if necessary, but tonight I don't need to exfoliate because I've not been wearing makeup lately. I didn't wear sunscreen today, so I will just jump straight into my toner. And because I have like a few dark spots on my face, like there's one here and one here because I picked it, that was totally my fault, I want to go in with my Ole Henriksen Glow Dark Spot Toner. This has helped me so much reduce like my hyperpigmentation around my mouth, like just around my nose. It's so effective. I brag about this product so much because it is very effective. I know it's kind of pricey, but it is good to have like targeted products in your routine that target specific areas that you need assistance with, and hyperpigmentation is the biggest skincare concern for me personally, and this has truly helped me. So I am gonna take this on a little cotton pad here. By the way, if you know of any really good cotton pads, because I feel like that's such a hard thing to find. Some of them are like too thin, some are too thick. It's really kind of annoying to find a good one. I feel like I have to play guessing games every time I go to Pennywise. And this toner, it can tingle for a little bit, but it does go away, and that's because of the AHAs in here that helps to gently exfoliate as well. This is also one product I love to keep in my skincare fridge because it feels so good on the skin when you step out of like a warm shower and you put on this cold toner. It feels so good on your skin. So this is how my face looks after using that toner, and you can see it really does illuminate my face. It does exactly what it says it does, which is to leave like this really pretty glow behind. I definitely love this healthy glow look. So the next step, I use an essence. I tend to use essences more at night because it just I'm sleeping, so the products definitely get to work into my skin a lot more And what an essence does is that it penetrates deeper into your skin, so it opens up those pathways so that the other products that you lay on top of your skin gets to sink in much deeper and do a better job. So one that I have been loving lately is this e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence. What I love about this is that number one, it's affordable. The other essence I have in my collection is from Tatcha, and that runs at 95 US for one. That is very pricey, but I'm not gonna lie, it does a wonderful job. I see such a huge difference in my skin when I started incorporating that essence, so I definitely wanted to get an affordable option, and so far this is also so amazing. With the Tatcha one, I definitely think it works a little bit better, and honestly that is expected because Tatcha does have their signature proprietary blend in their products, and that was no exception, so it really does work a little bit better. But for the price, and I still see a difference in my skin, a good difference that is, I am really enjoying this. This has purified water, coconut water, and algae. This also has some hyaluronic acid in there as well, so that is extra plumping and hydration for us. So I just pour a little bit of my hand, and you can see it's like a very thick kind of water. It's kind of like, you know, by Fenty called their toner fat water, because that is essentially what an essence is. It's like a thicker water consistency. So I just press this into my skin like a true skincare psycho. We press, we don't rub. And I do get some on my neck as well. Whatever is left over, I do rub it on the back of my hands, because your girl not wasting any product here. And I mean, already from the start of the video to now, you can see my skin looks super hydrated and plumped. I'm telling you, all these products are bomb. At this point in time, if necessary, I would definitely go in with a sheet mask. I try to use sheet mask like maybe 3 to 4 times a week. It can definitely be used every day, especially these ones from the Creme Shop, which I do purchase at Wonderful Wool, and I usually get them on sale. Like these two were $14 on sale, so yeah, I did grab a bunch of them, and I do pop them in the fridge before I take my shower, so that when I come out of the shower, they're nice and cool. But what I do love about these is that they are safe enough to use every day. They're very gentle and very moisturizing. But tonight I don't need a sheet mask, so I'm just going to jump straight into my serums. And the serums I use are from The Ordinary, and I have the hyaluronic acid and the niacinamide. This is the best niacinamide I have ever used. I used the one from Good Molecules, but I just did not find like it worked as good as this one for me, and I know people have said the opposite, but we need to bear in mind that we all have different skin types and skin needs, so products will work differently for everyone, and that is okay. So this niacinamide personally is just the best one I have tried yet, and the hyaluronic acid, I haven't tried the one from Good Molecules yet, but I'll get around to it. So I just take like a few drops of this in my hand, like so. So it's very thick. Give it a little rub and press it into my skin. I have also been getting a lot of questions about products I recommend from The Ordinary, so that video is coming next week, so look out for it. And if you're wondering about mixing certain serums, hyaluronic acid is totally safe. You can use this with all of your other serums. It's very safe. I'm then gonna go in with my niacinamide. Whoops. This is my favorite skincare product ever. Like, it's so good at helping control oil production, which then in turn means that your pores are going to be reduced. And I have definitely seen those results using niacinamide in my skincare regime. It's just such a powerful product. It's not to be underestimated. Absolutely love it. Sometimes I just give myself a little face massage to make sure those products get deep down in there. moving on. So as I was applying those serums, you would have noticed that I did not take them all the way up to my under eye area, and that's because these products are definitely stronger ingredients, and your under eye area is a very delicate area on your face, so you need to be careful and considerate of what you are placing under your eyes. So the eye creams that I use are the Forte Daily Eye Cream. This is very good for a burst of hydration. I have not seen a reduction in my dark circles with this product, and it does not claim to do that anyway. It just provides hydration. And this is the Retinol Eye Cream from the Inkey list. This targets fine lines under the eyes, so it is an anti-aging product. I definitely want to incorporate more retinols into my actual like face routine, and I saw a line at Pennywise. I definitely think I want to go this weekend and check it out. So what I do is I take some of this on my ring finger, that is the Forte cream, and then I take a few squirts of this retinol eye cream and mix them together. The reason being is that the retinol on its own is just a little too strong for me. I noticed that it does burn, but when I mix it in with this hydrating cream, it works out totally fine. So I just look up and really get under there. So rightfully you should tap in your under eye treatments instead of pulling and tugging on this area, because I mean it will defeat the whole purpose. We're trying to avoid fine lines and sagging. And your ring finger applies the lightest pressure, which is why you would see most bloggers using their ring finger to really just get under that eye. And I have really seen such great results using this retinol eye cream. I definitely have like a lot of fine lines here, well, had a lot of fine lines, and that's because, you know, I have big eyes as well, but this has really reversed a lot of my fine lines. So to lock in all of those serums I just applied, I would go in with a night cream or just a heavy moisturizer, and the one I use right now is the Himalaya Anti-wrinkle cream. And I'll be honest, even though it specifically says it targets like wrinkles, I don't find that it did like such a great job at that. To be quite honest, I have to be fair to the product, I don't have a lot of wrinkles. I do have some smile lines, that's really it, but I don't know if I really saw a difference in that. But what I like about it is that it's a thick and heavy cream that really does do a great job at sealing in all of my products, and it's accessible right here at Pennywise. It's affordable. It does what a moisturizer is supposed to do for my skin, so I can look past if it doesn't, you know, fix my wrinkles, because it does a great job at doing other things. And to be honest, I have really enjoyed this product. As you can see, I'm like scraping the bottom of the jar. It's so good. I like it. I will definitely repurchase this. Really massage it into my face. Don't forget your chest, because we do age there as well. At this point, I would definitely go in with a facial oil, but to be honest, tonight I don't feel like my skin really needs it. But a facial oil I have been enjoying for the last 2 years, or could be a little bit more, is the Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil. It's so great. That's a bread van. As I was saying, this product also is one that helped me with my hyperpigmentation in terms of reducing it, because the rosehip seed oil does brighten and even skin tone. So this is a great facial oil to add to your routine. How I use it is that I would mix it in directly with my moisturizer and then press it or rub it into my skin. It's so good. Please try it. And of course, it would be a crime to ignore my lips, and I use the By Beauty Agave lip balm. I have been using this mini version for about, I want to say 9 to 12 months now, and look, it's just finished. There's literally like, I'm scraping the bottom. I know I have a new one on backup, but honey, I want to make sure I get my money's worth out of all of these products. This is such a good sleeping mask. I enjoy it so much. It really has helped like my dry lips. It's so strange, like before I would have had oily skin but very dry lips. It was very odd, and this has truly helped restore balance to my lips. It didn't help so much with fine lines, but definitely in terms of hydration, really good for that. And to finish off my face, I definitely like to go in with some form of facial mist. It's just very refreshing, also helps to, you know, seal in everything as well. And lately I have been loving the Forte Beauty Do It Setting Mist. I love this to melt my makeup, but you know, I have to repurpose it because I'm not playing with any makeup at the moment. So I just give myself a good spray of this. Oh, it smells so refreshing, and you can see how dewy that makes my skin. Definitely on the nights that I don't use this spray, I tend to use my rose water, which I purchased from Pennywise as well. It comes in like a big spray bottle. It's so affordable and so good. Rose water is such an underestimated product. I use it to tone as well, and yeah, it's very gentle on your skin. It's so refreshing, and I love the scent of rose. So when I apply that at night, it just feels so cold and just lovely on my skin. And the final step of my nighttime skincare routine is going in with a body butter, and this is from a local brand called Black Beauty Cosmetics. I did purchase this a couple weeks ago, and I have really been enjoying it so much. It's very rich and full of organic ingredients, super hydrating and just skin nourishing. Very thick yet like not heavy on the skin. It has sort of a medicinal smell to it, but I actually don't mind it, especially at night. And when I use this at night and wake up in the morning, my skin is super hydrated. It looks like I put lotion on, and really it's just remnants of this product, but look how pretty. Look at that glow. It's so pretty, and it's very hydrating and super affordable. So yeah, I'll have all of these products linked below and where I got them, so feel free to check it out. And that completes my nighttime skincare routine video. I now have to go and remove this turban and blow dry my hair, but I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments below if you are thinking of trying any of these products, or if you have already, let me know how they worked for you. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.